In 2021, the internationalization team of the Department of Early Childhood Education embarked on a collaborative online international learning project, or COIL in short. The goal of this COIL project is to develop a global mindset in our early childhood education student teachers by facilitating cross-cultural collaborations with fellow ECE student teachers overseas.
In COIL, our colleagues at the ECE Department partnered with lecturers who teach similar courses overseas. Together, the two lecturers planned and implement teaching and learning activities. Activities that allow students to learn how early childhood education works in another context, going beyond what they already know.
We want our ECE students to collaborate with students overseas as part of their coursework, to develop international perspectives and become globally minded ECE professionals. Since the COIL initiative was launched in our department, we have established teaching partnerships with universities in the US, the UK, Australia, Singapore, the Philippines, and Spain.
COIL gave me an opportunity to interact with student teachers and lecturers from the US as part of my learning. We connect virtually and bonded over stories of hardships we faced during our practicum in preschools. While our backgrounds are very different, we faced similar struggles in the preschools, whether it was dealing with power struggles or learning to accept differences and embracing diversity. I learned a lot from these discussions with students in US and gained a deeper understanding in early childhood education in Hong Kong.
I think it's very, very important for students to communicate across the different parts of the world, and our students have been really enjoying this cross-cultural communication experiences with students around the world. I'm really glad to have met Dr. Zhou Yanling. I engaged in the COIL experience with her students the previous semester, and both our students in GSU here and also in Hong Kong have really enjoyed these interactions online. We both have learned a lot.
We set the same 3 video assignments for students in the US and here in Hong Kong. They are then tasked to view and comment on each other's video assignments. The students were able not only to express their professional opinions and knowledge, but also have a chance to hear feedback from their professional peers on the other side of the planet. The COIL experience broadens the students' international horizons, enhances their professional development and confidence, and cultivating a culture for intercultural and international communication and exchange.
Take any early childhood classroom in Hong Kong today, and we are likely to find children from different cultural backgrounds and even from different countries. This is why it is necessary to equip our student teachers with intercultural awareness and understanding.
We want our student teachers in our department to become global citizens, providing them with global experiences online in this pandemic era.
In the global world that we live in today, we are all interconnected and need to learn from one another. COIL empowers early childhood educators to do exactly that. Through COIL, ECE student teachers collaborate with overseas peers to deepen their understanding of themselves and the world. So get ready to open your eyes and broaden your horizons with COIL.